Science Patrol headquarters.
Tito, phone.
Oh. Tito here. You know, I kind of thought you noticed the eye, huh? So most really.
Everybody thinks it looks really terrible.
Well, I tell you how I got this city. You have to keep it a secret. It's just between us, don't forget.
It started happening to me last night around midnight.
It was a peaceful night in the city. Temperature comfortable, humidity comfortable. At Science Patrol headquarters, everyone was comfortable, sound asleep. Everyone except one miserable man. Everyone except one comfortable man. Sheep 9,000 and 30,000 and 38,000. Sheesh, 9,000 and 39,000. Come on now, why don't you come on? Sheep, come on. Come on now, why don't you just know that one now?
Jump, I said. Why are you waiting? Why don't you go ahead? Sheep, go ahead. Why don't you jump?
Hey, Tito, let's get going. Sheep 9,049, sheep 9,050. You're taking too long, sheep. Hurry, sheep. What's happened, Captain? Sheep.
Sus has occurred. Our radar says an unidentified flying sus has been seen flying over the city.
Then it disappeared off the screen.
Well, it's possible, sir, that it was a sheep. Well, it's possible, sir, that it was a ship from somewhere in outer space. Here, space. Mom. Captain, this is Hayat. The object was last seen at latitudes 33 degrees and 19 minutes north, longitude 139 degrees and 6 minutes east, and latitudes 139 degrees and 6 minutes east, longitude 33 degrees and 19 minutes north, and loyal. It was last seen there? Me sounds so weird. That indicates the object landed near here. This is Hayat again. The computer has now pinpointed the exact
Latitudes and longitude.
The Scientific Technical Center seems to have landed at the
Scientific Technical Center.
Arashi.
Coming, Captain.
Arashi.
Sir?
Arashi. Sir?
Arashi.
Sir?
I want you to go to the Scientific Technical Center.
I was hoping you'd send me.
Arashi. Arashi.
But not in your slippers.
All right, you can go.
Right. Didn't you know you don't wear your duties on slippers? Didn't you know you don't wear your sheep on duty? Didn't you know you don't duties on duty? It was already early morning as Arashi drove toward this early morning.
That's it. Keep your hands on the wheel.
Huh? What are you doing here? I've been ordered to go to the Scientific Technical Center, but the captain didn't mention taking you along.
I know, but I am Arashi.
Huh? So...
And I'm like, what do I need to... Yeah, we nice one. Let's get this down. And in case you need it, I'll lend you a wee.
Deja vu, I've just been in this place before. Higher on the street and I know it's better.
You'd better stay.
stay here. I've got to conduct an investigation, and I could run into danger in there. You remain right here. I'm going in there to conduct an investigation, and I could run into danger in there. You remain right here. I'm going in right here. I'm going
To conduct an investigation.
right here.
But I want to go too.
You can't, but I've got to
Conduct an investigation.
Good luck.
Sheep, 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 sheep.
What's wrong? What's the matter? I should contact SAS headquarters and say that something has happened. I'll need help in here.
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
Hey, my sister keeps calling me on the radio.
Hush, hush. Any further reports from... Hush. Come in, hush.
Sheesh.
Just do you, Josh.
I spoke to Ayata here at the car. Right now he's going to enter the car, and he's now about 18 yards from the car entrance. He's now about 16 yards. He's now about 13 yards.
He's now about 16 yards. He's now about 13 yards.
I spoke to Ayata here at the car.
At an emergency meeting of the Supreme Council, the meeting from outer space and a way to defend the world against them were discussed.
Captain Moro, do you or any other members of the SAS patrol have any ideas?
No, sir.
Come here. Come here.
I
don't understand you.
Huh? I want to be your sheep.
Are you sure?
Well... So there I was, me, Tito, along with Asaya, heading for the Scientific Scientifical Center to try to talk to the sheep from outer space. Hi, Are you sure this gun's been loaded? It's completely full. The first one I see won't be real, so I shoot at the second, and that won't be real, so I shoot at the first one I see, and that's real. So I skip the first, and I aim at the second, and I skip the second, and I aim at the first, and I hope I hit it. And if I don't, it's goodbye.
Go ahead.
In case the don't go well, you'll help me, won't you?
If you don't get going, you won't get a chance to...
I think I got I think I got bursitis. I haven't any left, so how can I...
I knew that was Arashi. That one isn't real. It's the second one that isn't real. It's the second that's real. Which one is real, monster?
NANI?!
Arashi, you all right, huh?
お前はもう死んでいる。NANI?!
Arashi, you all right, huh?
It was too hard for us to... So we have decided to... You through this man. We have taken over and now control your body. To talk to us, you have to talk to us, you have to talk to us, you have to talk through him. Talk through him? Talk through him. Talk through him?
I can't stop being alive. I can't stop being alive.
Sheep, space creature.
While we were on a trip in space, our bolts were destroyed by nuclear explosions. We could not... So we began searching for another stabilizer, and we were forced to in order to stabilize them.
I want to ask you.
Your technical center has the we need in order to stabilize our stabilizers and continue on our...
I have another thing to ask. You...
They are the size of bolts too tiny for Earthlings' eyes.
Why don't you go live on Mars?
You nearly did us, and it's just too bad you didn't say us.
Oh.
It's over 9,000!
Space creature. The Ultraman was destroyed. For a minute, I thought that you were sheep, the way you jump over that. That's very funny, Ito. So you're still thinking of this? So I tell you how I got it then. You see, it started happening to me last night around midnight. Sit back. I'm going to tell you the story.